Om Gurram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about subtraction. So, everybody listen carefully. Word problems. Page number 32 from your activity book, volume 2. Page number 32. Solve the following word problems. So, chapter name is subtraction. Solve the following word problems. See here, listen carefully. Jessica had 25 chocolates. Jessica had 25 chocolates. She gave 10 to Rohan. She gave 10 chocolates to Rohan. How many chocolates does Jessica have? See here, solution, listen carefully. Number of chocolates means here toffees. Number of toffees with Jessica. That is equals to 25. See now next number of toffees given to Rohan, that is equals to 10 beta. See here, subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 1, you can get 1. Then you can write number of toffees left. Number of toffees left, that is equals to 50. So this is given in your activity book. Now next one I can explain again carefully in another way. See here, a school has 543 books in a library. A school has 543 books in a library. If 143 books are taken by the students, so how many books are left? See here, number of books, second one solution. Write down everybody. Number of books in a library. That is equals to 543. Next, number of books are taken by students. That is equals to 143. Number of books left. Look at the blackboard. Number of books left. That is equals to 543 minus 143. So you can write the given number in column wise according to their places. 543 minus 143. First subtract the digits in one's place. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 1, you can get 4. How many books left in a library? 400 books. Therefore, Number of books left in a library, that is equals to 400. Write down everybody. Don't waste time. Write so nice pass ball. See here, Nana, everybody watch YouTube channel and complete the problem. See now, next one is there are 275 birds on a tree. Meet to three a stone at them. All birds flew away. How many birds are left on the tree? See here. How many birds are there on a tree? 375 birds. See here. Meet to three a stone at them. ఒక చిన్న రాయి విసిరాడు. Now here all flew away. అన్నీ వెళ్ళిపోయాయి. See here. How many birds are left on the tree? This is very simple. Third one. Write down everybody quickly. Number of birds. Write down. Number of birds on a tree is equals to how many? 275 birds. Next, number of birds fly away. Number of birds, birds. How many birds? 275 birds. Number of birds left on the tree, that is equals to 275 minus 275. See here, 275 minus 275. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0. How many birds are there? Are no birds on the tree. Write down. There are no birds on the tree. Write down everybody. Now next one is beta. Listen carefully. There are 284 butterflies in a garden. 150 butterflies flew away. Now how many butterflies are left? See here. See how many butterflies are there in a garden? Garden lo enni butterflies unnai? 284 butterflies are there in a garden. In it here 150 butterflies flew away. Egri ellipoyayi. So how many butterflies are there in a garden? See here. Number of butterflies in a garden is equals to 284. Next, number of butterflies fly away is equals to 150. Next, you can find out number of butterflies left in a garden is equals to 284 minus 150. The given number write in column wise according to their places. 284 minus 150. See here. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 5. You can count from 8 to reach. After 8 to reach. After 5 to reach 8. After 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 3. 5 minus 8 minus 5. You can get 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So therefore, number of butterflies left in a garden, that is equals to 134. Write down everybody. Now next one is Miss Mary had 373 apples with her. See here. Miss Mary had page number 33. Miss Mary had 373 apples with her, out of which 9 were rotten. How many good apples does Miss Mary have? మేరీ దగ్గర 373 యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అందులో 9 యాపిల్స్ పాడయ్యాయి. సో హౌ మెనీ గుడ్ యాపిల్స్ డస్ మిస్ మేరీ హ్యావ్? లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ బేటా. పేజ్ నంబర్ 33. Number of fifth one. Apples with Miss Mary. 373. Number of apples rotten. that is equals to 9 apples. You can find out the number of good apples. That is equals to 373 minus 9. Listen carefully, beta. 373 minus 9. 9 write down below 3. See here, first 3 minus 9 possible, beta? Not possible. Because 3 is less than 9. Take borrowing from 7. It can give 10. 10 is added to 3. 10 plus 3 you can get 13. Now 7 it can lose. 7 becomes 6. Now here 13 minus 9. You can count after 9 after to reach 13. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So what we get, beta? 4. 4 write down here. Now 6 there is no number means 6 you can write directly. 3 you can write directly. So number of good apples, how many? So 364. Therefore, number of good apples Mary has, Miss Mary has. Is equals to 364. Now next one, beta. Now next, Sony had 120 toys. He gave Mono 18 toys. How many toys are left with Sonu now? See, write down. Number of toys with Sonu is equals to 120. Number of toys given to Mono is equals to 18. number of toys left is equals to 120 minus 18. The given number write in column wise according to their places. 120 minus 18. See here, first subtract the digits in one's place. That is 0, 0 minus 8 possible beta? Not possible. See here, 0 minus 8 possible? Not possible. See, now take borrowing from 2, it can give 10, 10 plus 0, you can get 10, so 2 it can cut. 2 last one here, 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 8 you can get 2, next we subtract the digits in one's place, 1 minus 1 0, so in hundreds place there is no number, then you can write 1 as it is. So number of tiles left. Therefore, number of toys left is equals to 102 toys. Lollipops.
Here are some recipes I found.
Yeah, now next question. A shopkeeper had 50 lollipops. A boy bought 50 lollipops. How many does the shopkeeper have now? See here, Number of lollipops a shopkeeper has is equals to 50. Number of lollipops a boy bought, that is equals to 15. Number of lollipops left. Is equals to 50 minus 15. See here, 0 minus 5 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 10, it can give 10. 10 is added to 0, you can get 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now next 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, number of lollipops left, that is equals to 35. Next one, there are 495 fish in the pond. 89 fish were caught. How many fish are left in the pond? Listen carefully. See here, number of fish. In the pond is equals to 495. Number of fish caught. That is equals to 89. Number of fish left in the pond is equals to 495 minus 89. 495 minus 89. See here, 5 minus 10 possible beta, not possible. Take borrowing from 9, it can give 10. 10 is added to 5. 10 plus 5, you can get 15. 9, it can last 1. 9 becomes 8. 15 minus 9, you can get 6. Now next 8 minus 8, 0. So 4. As it is right down. Number of fish left in the pond. Therefore, number of fish left in the pond, that is equals to 406. Okay, your class is completed. Thank you everybody.